Emblem of Odisha. The emblem is a circular seal depicting a representation of the warrior and her statue found at Konark Sun Temple. The crest of the emblem is the lion capital of Ashoka written with Satyameva Jayate. State Anthem. From 1st April 1936, Bande Utkala Janani is considered as State Anthem of Odisha. It is originally an Odia patriotic poem written by Kantakavi Lakshmikant Mahapatra. During COVID-19 pandemic, this song is recreated by Sankar Ahsan Loy and sang by legendary singer Asa Bhosle as a tribute to all frontline COVID warriors tackling the novel coronavirus outbreak to boost their morale. State Foundation Day. 1st April is celebrated as Odisha Day or Utkala Divasa in the memory of the formation of the state as a separate province out of Bihar and Bengal provinces with addition of Koraput and Gunjan from Madras Presidency on 1st April 1936. State Bird of Odisha. The blue jay or Indian roller bird is considered as the state bird of Odisha because of its brilliant color, attractive rolling behavior, and strong species belief of Odisha people. But unfortunately, many students and peoples are still ignorant about this. State Animal. Sambar deer. It is a species of large deers and found in almost all the small and large jungles of Odisha like Chandaka, Similipal National Park, Harishchandanpur Forest Range, Tikarapada, Satakosia Forest Range, etc., where they roam about very freely. State flower. It's Asoka. Asoka tree finds prominence in Hinduism and its scriptures. It is worshipped in the month of Chaitra and is known to be one of the flowers in the quiver of Hindu love god Kamadeva, signifying the seduction and hypnosis. It is also mentioned in Ramayana as Sita was imprisoned in Asoka Batika full of Ashoka trees. State tree. Sacred fig or Ficus religiosa. This tree can be easily found in temple premises as Hindus use its leaves for religious purposes and women worship this tree as a symbol of fertility. At the same time, it has been traditionally used in Indian system of medicine for the treatment of diabetes, diarrhea, epilepsy, etc. State dance of Odisha is Odissi. It is one of the principal classical dance style of India and considered as the most graceful and toughest classical dance form, which follows the principle of Natya Shastra and is indigenous to Odisha. It is a temple dance form deeply rooted by Hindu devotion, and its close replications of poses found on classical temple sculptures suggest great antiquity.